Hey gang, I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Imagine making money by helping others make money. Imagine turning your knowledge about sales into a business where people pay you to teach them how to sell better, close more deals, and grow their income. That's exactly what a sales coaching business is, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own sales coaching business from scratch. Whether you have years of experience in sales or you're just great at talking to people and helping them succeed, this is a business you can launch with little to no investment. All you need is a plan, the right approach, and the confidence to guide others. First, let's talk about why this business is in demand. Every company in the world relies on sales. Whether they're selling products, services, or ideas, they need people who can convince customers to buy. The problem is, not everyone is naturally good at sales. Many people struggle with objections, closing deals, and building trust with customers. That's where you come in. As a sales coach, you teach people how to sell more effectively, how to communicate better, and how to turn hesitant customers into happy buyers. And here's the best part, people are willing to pay big money for this kind of training. Businesses want their employees to perform better, entrepreneurs want to sell their products faster, and individuals want to improve their skills to increase their income. Now, let's talk about getting started. The first thing you need to do is choose your niche. Are you helping real estate agents close more deals? Are you coaching small business owners on how to sell their products? Are you working with corporate sales teams? Are you helping beginners learn the basics of selling? The more specific you are, the easier it is to attract clients. If you try to help everyone, you won't stand out. But if you specialize in one area, people will see you as the go-to expert. Next, let's talk about your coaching method. Will you be doing one-on-one coaching sessions? Will you be hosting group training programs? Will you be selling online courses? Will you be offering in-person workshops for companies? There are many ways to structure your business, and you can choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. If you want high-paying clients, one-on-one coaching is a great option. If you want to help many people at once, group coaching or online courses might be the way to go. Now, let's talk about your pricing. The amount you charge depends on the value you provide. Some sales coaches charge $50 per session, while others charge thousands of dollars for a complete training program. If you're just starting, you might begin with a lower price and raise it as you gain experience. The key is to focus on the results you can deliver. If your coaching helps someone close more deals and increase their income, they'll see your training as an investment, not an expense. Let's talk about getting clients. The easiest way to attract clients is through social media. Start by sharing sales tips on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Create short videos where you teach people how to handle objections, how to close deals, and how to build trust with customers. Show them that you know what you're talking about, and they'll want to learn more from you. Another way to get clients is by offering free training sessions. Host a free webinar or a live training on social media. Teach people something valuable, and at the end, offer them a chance to work with you for a paid coaching program. This builds trust and makes it easy for people to say yes. One of the fastest ways to grow is by partnering with businesses. Companies are always looking for ways to improve their sales teams. Reach out to local businesses and offer a free workshop. Show them how your training can help their employees sell more. Once they see the results, they might hire you for ongoing training sessions. You can also build a referral program. Happy clients will tell others about your coaching if you give them a reason to. Offer them a discount or a bonus for bringing in new clients. This way, your business grows without spending money on advertising. Let's talk about your coaching skills. You don't need to be the world's best salesperson to be a great sales coach. You just need to be good at breaking things down and helping people improve. The key is to understand what struggles your clients have and give them simple, actionable steps to overcome those struggles. If you can take a complicated sales strategy and explain it in a way that anyone can understand, you're already ahead of the game. If you want to take your coaching to the next level, consider getting testimonials. When people see that your coaching has helped others succeed, they'll be more likely to trust you. Ask your clients for feedback and use their success stories to attract more clients. You can also create case studies showing how your training helps someone go from struggling in sales to closing more deals. Now, let's talk about passive income. A sales coaching business doesn't have to be limited to one-on-one coaching. You can create digital products like ebooks, online courses, and sales scripts. Once these products are made, you can sell them over and over again without extra work. This allows you to make money even when you're not actively coaching. Imagine waking up to notifications that people have purchased your sales course while you were sleeping. That's the power of passive income. What about competition? Yes, there are other sales coaches out there, but that doesn't mean you can't succeed. Your personality, experience, and approach make you unique. Some people will connect with your style better than others, and that's what will make them choose you over someone else. The key is to be authentic and let your passion for sales and coaching shine through. Let's talk about your daily routine. A typical day as a sales coach might start with a one-on-one coaching session with a client. Then, you might record a video teaching a sales tip for social media. In the afternoon, you could work on an online course or a new training program. You might end your day by responding to client questions and planning future coaching sessions. The great thing about this business is that you have control over your schedule. You can work from home, set your own hours, and design your business the way you want. Now, let's address the biggest fear. What if you're not ready? The truth is, you don't have to be perfect to start. If you've ever helped someone improve their sales skills, you already have something valuable to offer. The key is to start small and gain confidence as you go. Offer free coaching sessions to friends and family to practice. Get testimonials, refine your process, and improve over time. The more you coach, the better you'll get. So, let's recap. A sales coaching business is perfect for anyone who wants to help others succeed while making great money. Sales skills are always in demand, and businesses are willing to pay for training. You can start by picking a niche, deciding how you want to coach, and setting your pricing. You can get clients through social media, free workshops, and partnerships with businesses. You don't need to be a sales guru to start, just someone who can teach others how to sell better. And best of all, you can build passive income by creating digital products that sell on autopilot. If you've been looking for a business that gives you freedom, impact, and financial success, this is it. Imagine waking up every day knowing that your work is helping people achieve their goals while putting more money in your pocket. Imagine having a business where you set your own schedule, work from anywhere, and get paid to share what you know. If that sounds like the life you want, then it's time to take action. So, are you ready to start your sales coaching business? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial freedom tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making idea. This is Fahaam, helping you build your dream life.